Hi and welcome back to ER Watch. Today we're going to be having a look at how to do green screen on OBS or chroma key, you may call it. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to click the subscribe and ring the notification bell so you're the first to be notified if I release any of the videos. So let's get into it. Okay, so first what you'll want to do is you want to choose your background. For now, my background, I'm just going to click the add. I'm just going to do a simple display capture, my normal display capture. You can see my display capture there. And click OK. So I'm just doing a normal display capture. You can resize this if it's too big or too small, and there is my display capture. There we go. So now what you need to do is you need to add yourself. So this is my background, what I'm going to use. You need to add yourself. So something that your green is going to be on. So you click that add. Now for me, I'm just going to do a window capture. I'm going to add a window capture. I'm going to choose my window capture. So I've got this window capture. I'm just going to resize that. Put it in the middle. There. So you can see now you can add this camera and moving video, but I'm just going to do a still shot for this. So you can see I've got, this is one of my thumbnails on one of my previous videos, how to get green screen on iMovie, so check that out if you've got iMovie. So you can see there's a green screen here. Now we're going to get rid of that green. We want this display capture to show on it. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to hover over, not your background, the one with the green. So this is the one with the green. Click on it, and then you want to right click on it and go to filters. Then you want to click the add button and make sure you do chroma key, not color key, chroma key. Color key is something different. Click chroma key, and you can just click OK. If you've got multiple chroma keys, you can call it something else like chroma key 2, 3, 4, etc. I'm just doing chroma key. Okay, so you can choose your color. You can do a custom color. You can do magenta, blue, green. Since mine's green, it's done it automatically. You can see it's made it grey. So I'm going to move that to the side. So you can see it's got it's made this. So my background, it's put that onto the green. You can see it behind it a bit. So now, say you've got a shadow in the room and not all of your green screen is the same color. It might be darker green or lighter green. If you go to your similarity, you can make that lower if it's too high, or you can make that higher, and then that'll add some green. It'll find any green in it. If it's too high, it's going to take away colors that aren't green, and that'll eventually take away yourself. So you want to keep that just like low level. You don't want it to take away anything that's not green. You can also do the smoothness. So if you've got jagged lines around the edge, you can control the smoothness, make it higher and lower. Now, if you've got a shadow on you, if you can see our shadow, it's a bit of green on you, like a reflection of the green on you in your video, you can just do the key color spill reduction. So if you add that, if you put that further up, it'll get rid of any of the green that's actually on it. If you put it lower, it'll add green. So I'd keep that around, not too high, but I don't want it at the start because it may have some reflection on me that's green. You can also change the opacity, which will get rid of some of your actual background. That might be good if you're doing ghost videos or if there's a bit of shadow still on it. You can also change the contrast, which I like to keep low. You can change the brightness, which I like to keep it normal, and you can change the gamma. Now the gamma, it's not something that I'd normally use, but it does look good on videos if you want to kind of increase, like, it's good for thumbnails. I'd say it's very good for thumbnails. So then you want to click close, and there you go. You can now have green screen on OBS. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out my how to do green screen on iMovie. It's a lot easier, and if you've got iMovie on your phone or iPad or any iOS, it's very easy for that. Don't forget to subscribe button, like, and ring the notification bell so you're the first to be notified if I have released any of my videos. Bye.